In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix device not showing in Bluetooth on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max here. I have my AirPods right here, which is going to be the Bluetooth device I'll be using for this video. So all I want to do is go over to my settings application right here, scroll down and click on Bluetooth, which is right there. Then I'm going to see my devices. Right now, as you can see, I only have one. Now if I want to connect these ones, if they're not showing, all you want to do is on any device you have, you want to make sure pairing mode is enabled. So it says not your AirPods Pro. So then all I want to do is press connect. If you have AirPods, they're going to automatically show up like this whenever they're in pairing mode. Then it's going to ask you to, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. Obviously, it might differ depending on what device you have, but I'm just going to press and hold the button right here. And then eventually it's going to register with my iPhone. As you can see, they just registered. It says AirPods Pro, and now it's going to be available to use on my phone. I can skip through all of that boring stuff, and then I'll just be able to use it. And as you can see, the AirPods are right there, ready to be used. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.